Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to respond to a question with a background style in the Ask.fm application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, the first thing you need to do is search up a question that you want to answer. I'm just going to check the inbox right now, and you can see here the second question in this case, which is where are you from. I'm going to respond to that, and down below you can see all these different styles. For example, this little ghost here, and if you press on it you can see that it will instantly be set as a background style, and I will just answer it here. After that is done, all you have to do is just press reply at the top of your right corner, and the answer was posted. And if you look at your wall, you can see this is how your answer looks like. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.